Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do the backside 50-50 grind. All you need to know for this trick is how to ollie while you are rolling. Then you have to find a good sized ledge where you are able to ollie up. The foot position for this trick is just like your ollie position. Front foot just under the bolts and your back foot on the tail. Approach the ledge parallel with your ollie position, and after you pop your ollie with your front foot, guide up your skateboard onto the ledge. Try to grind on the edge of the truck with your wheels pushed to the side of the ledge. When you are on top of the ledge, just hold that position as long as you want it to grind. Keep your weight centered over your board and evenly distributed over both legs. Make sure you keep a little bit of pressure in your tail, so when you reach the end of the ledge, you can lift up your nose just long enough so your back truck can roll off the ledge. Make sure you practice, and when you are comfortable with this trick, build into your line and learn something new. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer frontside or backside 50-50. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always the most important is to go skate and have fun.